Hi everyone, welcome back to Python course. Today we are going to discuss about the difference between tuple and list. In Python, both tuples and lists are used to store collection of items, but there are some important difference between the two. One is mutability. The main difference between tuple and list is that tuples are immutable while lists are mutable. What is one? The first point is tuples are immutable and lists are mutable. Mutable. Let's try what is immutable and what is mutable. Immutable means if I'm creating a sum tuple, if I want to add value, if I want to remove the value, it won't be possible because the tuple is constant. If I want to remove entire tuple, I have to remove, or else I need to create like a new tuple. But in list, we can insert the value, we can delete the value, we can update the value, whatever we want, we can do it. Let's try with the example. First, I'm creating my tuple. My tuple equals to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. Okay, and let's create my list. List equals to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. Okay, now I want to add one value after this 5 in tuple. In list, what we are doing, my underscore list, okay, dot append and adding one value 7. Let's print this my list. So now I want to add in my tuple also 7. Can I use append? Let's try it. Dot append 7. It is giving error. See, tuple object no attribute append. Okay, so tuple is a mutable. That's why it is not adding, and this append attribute also not available here. Let's try with another example. Okay, so in my list, I want to change the first one value, means index of 0 is first 1, right? So this value I want to change, equals to, I'm giving 12. Instead of 1, it should be replaced 12. Let's try. Now print this. See, 1 is changed by 12. 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Let's try with a tuple. I want to change in tuple as well. Tuple of 0 is 1. Here also 1. Now I am changing with the 12. What error it is giving? Tuple object doesn't support item assignment. Okay, this is called immutable. Tuple won't change with the new values. Okay, and if I want to remove some particular value, like 5 I want to remove, or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is in fourth position. Now I'm giving list dot pop or remove. I'm giving index value. Let's remove option also we can use remove. I'm giving 5. 5 I'm removing. Let's print list here. See, 5 is removed from the list. Now same I want to do in the tuple also. I want to remove 5 from the tuple. See, tuple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. I want to remove 5. Let's give a 5. So it is giving tuple object no attribute remove. That means it's immutable, it won't remove. So we can't modify and change and create values in the tuple, but in list we can able to add, remove and insert the values. So how to remove tuple? Just delete tuple. this only will work. See, my tuple, if I check for my tuple, it is going no define. Delete option will work. Same as we can delete a list also. So here in the tuple, we can't change within the values within the tuple. If you want to remove the entire tuple and create new tuple, or else you can create a new tuple with a new values. I hope you have understand this mutable and immutable concept by using these examples. What is next one? The syntax already we have discussed. The next difference of this list and tuple, list we are yeah list we are declaring with square brackets. List is square brackets, and tuple we are declaring with the parenthesis. And what is third one? Third difference, performance. Tuples are generally more performant than lists because they are simpler and consume less memory. Tuples will consume less memory. It is performance wise, it is better than list, and this makes them a good choice for storing data that doesn't need to be modified, like configuration settings and constant values. So if you are not changing any value within your tuple and or list, you can go better to tuple because tuple performance is very better compared to list. And if you don't want to change any value while developing the code, you can go with a tuple. So tuples are more better than list on performance. So what is fourth one? Uses. Tuples are often used to return multiple values from the function, while lists are used to store and manipulate large collection of data. Tuples will be used for tuples use for return values, return multiple values, return values, and list. We can, by using list, we can manipulate data, large collection of data. So these are like overall difference between tuple and the list. So overall, this choice between tuple and list depends on your specific needs. If you need to store a collection of data that won't change, use tuple. If you need a manipulate the data or add or remove the elements, use a list. I hope you have understand these differences between list and tuple with example. In next video, we can start a different topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.